This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating a secure base. Sign into your Apple ID and enable iCloud so your data flows across devices. Once done, set Touch ID or a strong password and turn on File Vault. This protects files and lets you sleep easier. Make a time machine backup to an external drive for rollback. Meanwhile, export browser bookmarks and copy documents and downloads from your Windows machine. These are the files you'll migrate first to avoid rework. You'll migrate your profile next using Migration Assistant over the network or by copying your user folder from the drive. This brings documents, desktop, and basic settings. Once migrated, install native Mac apps and their macOS equivalent so workflows feel familiar. Choose Mail, Notes, and a browser. Then, customize Finder, Dock, and trackpad gestures to recreate muscle memory. Remap common Windows shortcuts to macOS keys so you don't slow down. Make sure to check permissions for copied files. You finish by validating files and installing any remaining tools. For Windows-only programs, run Parallels or Boot Camp so critical apps keep working. Then, tune system settings for energy, display, and keyboard behavior. Enable Night Shift and reindex Spotlight to ensure search works. If something breaks, don't panic. Reset the SMC or NVRAM and rerun Migration Assistant, or restore from your time machine backup. That troubleshooting step usually
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.